2006. About to replace this shifter. Fucking throws are so long. Used to have a hurst in here. About to replace it with the hurst again. So about to hit time lapse on my GoPro. Hopefully we can get this thing done. First thing that's gotta get done is this little shifty boot gotta come off. Should just twist right off. Alright, pop this off, take that right off, pull this out, put it to the side, take this, put it to the side, so pop that off. Alright, the rest is going to be underneath. So there should be one bolt on the link right there, you can see that, 10 mil, should be, then there's one right here. That should be a 13 mil. And then right here, this is the bracket actually holding the shifter in. So once all that comes off, it should just pop right off. Here's the first one. Just the 13 mil. Just follow me. So there's the nut. And there's this. That the link should pop right out, so just leave the link hanging. This little piece right here has to pop out. Pop that out. It was sitting right where the link was, and we just need to do the 10 mil. All right, there we go. So now that 10 is out, it should be loose. Just the two little screws for the bracket. It should be 10 mil, and then it should be out. We'll hold one out. Remove this from here, and then pop in a new one. Alright, just got the new one in. Just hand tighten the little bolts for the bracket just to hold it in for now, and then we just gotta bolt this up and put this through, and we should be fucking good. Two screws, a washer on each one, the insulators, and then the boot back on, good to go. Best piece to the whole thing. Custom made. What is going on, guys? This is the first startup in about a month and a half. I haven't been able to actually drive this car because I broke my wrist, so I finally got my cast off. I can finally move my hand again, so it's time to actually start making some videos. But I'm about to start grinding and trying to make some more videos of this car. So this is my 06 Mustang GT. I'll make another video about it more because I want to finish this video first, talk about like the new shifter that I just put in. But also I have a different knob on it right now. In some of the other clips you'll see I put a yellow knob on there. Well, I had an issue with it and the threads inside got like cross threaded, so it won't actually go on right. So it's super loose whenever I'm shifting, so I really don't want to drive with that right now. I keep trying to find I actually got the right screw right here. So this is a screw that I needed. It's like an adapter. I didn't have it at first, and I put it on the other one, and it worked, but now all of a sudden it got cross-threaded and I can't get it back on. So I need to get the right tap and die. I've been looking everywhere for it and I cannot seem to find the right thread size. I even went to an actual like place for it and they couldn't like fix it for me. So I'm gonna just keep looking around, and you know, hopefully soon I can actually get the right one on here, because I want it on. It was custom made and they actually don't make that one with the Ford Racing on it anymore. So I really want to get it in, but we'll see. About to take the car out for the first time and I'll do a couple pulls. Yeah, finish this video up. This is gonna be my first rip since putting the new shifter in. Let's see how it feels. Oh hell yeah. Oh hell yes. Alright, don't want to get in trouble over here. Feels so good though. So a lot of people don't like the hurst shifter, and I guess they say that it has a lot of vibration issues, like coming from the shifter. I've had it in this car, and I've actually had another one of these, which I'll talk more about later on, but I've had the same shifter in both of them, and I've never had an issue with that vibration issue. And I mean, I haven't really like taken off the shifter and put a bunch of different ones in, but since like I've driven this car and I also let my friend drive my other one with the stock shifter and then driving with this shifter, and just whatever reason, like this shifter, it just is so much nicer. Like just the notchy feel of it, it just goes into gear better. Like it's just like a night and day difference from what you get stock. And I don't know, this cost me, I want to say like $250, $300. So just for like a little bit of money, you can get something that just like changes the way the car drives completely. Like my friend, when he drove the other one with the stock shifter, he did not like this car like at all. And then I put the hurst in and he like fell in love with the car. It was just like a totally different feel, but it's just totally worth getting one of these. Like I highly recommend getting one of these for your 3-valve. Just any car, honestly. Like my friend, he's got a Subaru WRX and he put one in his because he felt mine. And he was like, man, this was right, like definitely the best thing I ever did, because just drives so much better. But definitely invest in one of these. So my GoPro just died on me. I'm gonna show off. Oh my bad. My GoPro just died on me. I want to show off like how hard you can actually like nail it with this thing, because compared to the stock one, you could really like bang the gears. So all right. Drop it down. Such a difference. Totally worth the money. Alright, it's pretty hard to show this. I don't know how well the other video was, but I'm gonna give you another pull. And this is off my iPhone. My GoPro just died on me. But I'm trying to hold it in my left hand. My wrist is still broken, and also like get this video, so I'll try my best. Feels too nice enjoying the car. It's been so long. Oh man, windows down and everything. I just wanted to show this off. So I actually went to Harbor Freight and I actually found a tap and die set that worked for me. So I basically I had a little adapter piece that I showed before. So I took that little adapter piece, I just stuck it on here, and it fit. Well, first I did, so it didn't fit on the shifter because the threads were a different size. So I basically just cut them out with one of these to fit it. I used the 10 by 125. So I used this one, cut out the threads, put that one on there because that was the right size for the inside threads of that little nut. And then for this, I basically just changed the size of the threads. So I used, I believe, 10 by 1.5, and it, even though the threads on the adapter, they're like a 10-125, I believe, or it's opposite, I forget. But either way, I basically just did that and it worked, and it's super tight. It's not going anywhere. You know, I could shift it fine. So I'm very happy I made it work, because they do not make this one with the Ford Racing on it anymore. You can get the yellow one, but you just can't get this, I guess, decal or whatever you want to call it. But it's in, so ready to go. All right, I'm picking this back up on my phone because my camera died. I don't know what was going on with it, but it wasn't really dead because I plugged it back in and it like turned back on, but I don't have it right now. So just want to finish this vlog up. Basically, I got that shifter back in. But I got the shifter back on, so it's all good. If you watched till now, thanks for the support. I highly recommend you get one of these, like ASAP. 100% worth it. I know there's a lot of other good ones on the market, but I don't know. I just really think in this car, like just the styling of the Hurst, like to me, like the 3 valves, they just kind of have like that old school look, and I just feel like the Hurst kind of gives it more of that like touch to it, like along with like the gauges and stuff. Like I just feel like this is just kind of what you need just to like make it, you know, a little nicer, but also just the drivability of it is just, it's just so much better. Like just being able to, like, if you really want to bang some gears with it, you could just really throw it in, and it's such a super notchy feeling, unlike the other one. The other one would just like, it'd go into gear like very smooth, but it's like hard to explain, but I guess the way like it just kind of grabs the gear, and just having like shorter throws and stuff, it really makes a difference. So highly recommend you get one of these. But if you watched till now, thanks for the support. Hopefully I'll be back with another vlog like really soon. I'm going to be away for like 2 weeks, so I won't really be able to like record anything then. But I'm going to try to edit all these videos that I do have, because I have a couple of them. And hopefully I can still put out 1 video a week till I get back, and then I got to start grinding this content. Thank you.